Hi there, I'm registered dietitian nutritionist Whitney English. Welcome to the first episode of Whit's Tips on Nutrition Trends. Today's tip is to focus on fiber for gut health, and I'm showing you how to make a super easy, scrumptious, kid-friendly, fiber-rich snack, strawberry fruit leather. Eating a fiber-rich diet can help with weight management, disease prevention, and overall gut health. Fiber slows the body's digestion of meals, helping to manage blood sugar and provide satiety. It also adds bulk to stool and acts as a prebiotic, providing fuel for our good gut bacteria and making for a happy digestive system. For example, research shows that eating fiber-rich strawberries boosts the metabolic activity of beneficial microbes in our colon, which may help to reduce inflammation and foster a healthier microbial community. When parents ask me what they can do for kids with digestive issues like constipation, maximizing fiber intake is always one of my first recommendations. Staying hydrated is also super important. Luckily, we can get fluid from both beverages and food. For example, strawberries are 90% water. So let's talk about how we can maximize our fiber intake. One way is by including whole fruits and veggies at snack time versus fiber-poor foods and beverages like fruit juice, gummy snacks, or refined puffs and crackers. One of my favorite nutrient-rich snacks is fruit leather. Because you make it using the whole fruit, this snack retains all that good belly-filling fiber. And I especially love using strawberries for the vitamin C boost. Just 8 large strawberries contains your entire daily dose of vitamin C. Here's how to make it. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Fahrenheit and line a large rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Add 8 cups, or about 4 pints, of chopped strawberries to a food processor, along with 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 to 3 teaspoons fresh grated ginger, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Puree until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness to your preference. Pour the mixture onto the center of a baking sheet and use a spatula to evenly spread it over the paper. Bake for 8 to 10 hours until the leather is completely dry but still pliable. If the edges dry out before the center, trim them off and return the rest to the oven. Be sure to check it every 20 to 30 minutes so it doesn't overcook. You want it to be chewy, not crunchy. Let it cool, then cut it into strips, leaving the parchment paper on to prevent sticking. Store it in an airtight bag or container. See, so simple. If you guys try the recipe, let me know by tagging @PlantBasedJuniors and @CaliforniaStrawberries. Thanks for watching.